Hi, it's Joan. This week we're looking at a hand from an event, and I've just recently played a national event in Sydney called the Spring Nationals. We made it to the final and I was very thrilled about that, which we lost unfortunately. But I've got some hands from the semi-finals where we played a team. It was a teams event. We played a team of young men in their 20s and we won. The point I want to make about this hand is that you do have to be very careful of making penalty doubles, especially when your hand, the doubler, is based only on high cards. Because if the opponents are bidding to what looks like a high contract and out of the blue you double because you've got a lot of high cards and you can't believe they could possibly make it, well, think about the fact that they're bidding it because they're short. They may have a void. They may have a singleton in the other hand. They may be able to, with their very good trump fit, cross trump the hand. So you really need trumps and a particular sort of hand with values in their suits before you make a penalty double at a high level. But even then, it's not simple because sometimes the opponents sacrifice and they're not even expecting to make their contract. Then you should double because you need to get some value when you had a game happening for 620 and suddenly they're bidding over it. But it's very hard to pick the right time. The other thing is on this hand, and in general in bidding, the people who bid win. I'd like to go as far as saying that. Of course, there are sometimes bidding will give you a very bad score, but in general, the people who hold back and pass are not the people who win at this game. It's the people who bid a good suit and keep bidding their good suit and hoping to find a fit with partner, but the brave are rewarded at bridge for bidding. That's my opinion anyway. So try the hand, see what you think, and have a great week. Interesting bidding. East West have found a heart fit and have gone to game. Partner North has made a preemptive bid in diamonds. They'll probably have 6 diamonds at least to the King Queen or King Queen Jack. Now, what do we do? I think 4 spades. We've got nearly solid spades. And even if partner has only 1, hopefully 2, but not many spades, I think we have got a chance to make 4 spades. Here comes the double from West, who's probably a strong hand. Pass. And partner had 3 spades. Not only did they have 3, but they had the 9, the 8 and the 2. That's very good news. We're only missing the ace. We've got 2 club losers, no diamond losers, no heart losers and 1 spade loser. We're in good shape here. Trump that and play trumps. West wins the ace and sensibly are taking their club winners. On this club, we know that East has no clubs, but the 9 and the 8 are winners, so they're top spades, so trump. They can't over trump. This is pretty good news. We have 1 in the north hand, so we could play the King of Hearts, discarding a club, and now a spade, overtake it, and draw the trumps. And even though we're the only one, we didn't need to play that Jack of Spades, it doesn't hurt. Let's play another spade to see what they discard. We've got the rest of the tricks, so we play Ace of Diamonds and a diamond up to the King. Now the Queen. discarding the 8 of clubs, and we've got this lovely trump. So we made 10 tricks with not very many points between us, and look at the hand that doubled. So do you think they should double? They had ace, king, ace, queen, jack, and ace. But unfortunately, because of our void in hearts and our distribution, they couldn't do anything about our making 4 spades doubled. So the moral of the story is, even if you've got a lot of high card points, you need more than that to make a penalty double. You generally need better trumps.